Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro vs Shark CarpetXpert. Which carpet cleaner should you buy? If you're choosing between the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro and the Shark CarpetXpert, both are designed for serious carpet and upholstery cleaning. But which one is the better choice? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is heavily focused on deep carpet cleaning and pet messes. It uses powerful rotating brushes and includes pet-focused cleaning tools. It also has a larger clean water capacity, which can be useful when you're cleaning larger areas and don't want to stop constantly for refills. The Shark CarpetXpert takes a slightly different approach. It focuses heavily on stain removal and convenience, with features designed specifically for spot cleaning, upholstery, and pet hair. Shark also offers specialized tools and hose cleaning features that can make maintenance easier after you're finished. So, which one performs better? Recent independent testing has placed both models among strong carpet cleaning options, with the Shark performing particularly well in stain removal testing. But performance isn't the only thing to consider. The Bissell can be a better choice for larger carpet cleaning jobs because of its larger water capacity and deep cleaning design. The Shark can make more sense if you frequently deal with individual stains, upholstery, and pet-related messes, and want more convenience-focused features. Neither is automatically better for everyone. If you want a machine for larger deep cleaning jobs, I'd lean toward the Bissell. If convenience and specialized spot cleaning are more important, the Shark is worth considering. If you want to check the latest details or buy either cleaner, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me which one you choose.